How to fix Messenger edit message feature not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon and search for Messenger. Now tap on Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the Messenger icon and tap on App Info. Now tap on Force Stop. Now restart your application to see if your problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, tap on Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.